Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Sarah and today we are doing an ultimate clean with me video. This video is like just a hodgepodge of various days where I had different things that I needed to do and had on my to-do list, so I just combined all of them into one ultimate clean with me video. So I hope that you enjoy and find all the motivation that you need to get everything done on your to-do list today. Or this week, however long it takes you. So I'm starting in the living room here. I have been wanting to take the covers off of my couch for the longest time. As you can see, like little spots where Reese had taken her bottle or her sippy cup and just dribbled on the couch. So I'm wanting to literally take all the covers off and wash them. I try and do this a couple times a year if I can. I got this couch from IKEA like 6 years ago and it's been so good to our family. It's not like a super expensive couch, but I do love the cover part because that way I can easily just take it off. Now putting the covers back on, that's a different story. I did have to do this on a day and plan it where I would be home all day, so that way I could get all the covers off the chair and the couch and make sure that they got washed and dried, so that way I could put them on by the end of the day. And that's kind of hard for me to do because, as y'all know, I'm a full-time working mama. So between my commute and being at work, I'm usually gone about 45 hours a week. So finding time to do all these things is definitely challenging for sure. But while I'm at it today, I decided to go ahead and dust all the furniture in the living room, and since I had to pull the chairs out and everything from the wall, I decided to go ahead and dust and mop and get all of this area super clean the best that I can. So I want to share with you guys, I'm so excited about our new air purifier. Now, I have never had an air purifier. I never really realized the importance of it. Now, if you're already familiar with them, more power to you because I've been missing out all these years. Thank you to Toppin. They gifted me this amazing air purifier. It's truly made a difference in our home, and it definitely helps with eliminating odors like after you cook a meal, or if you have allergies or pets, it's perfect. It's super easy, and it also has like a timer. You could set it to 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours, and you can also adjust the fan setting. I love this thing so much. I've literally moved it into every room of our home, and it has made such a difference. So I'll make sure to have all the information down in the description box below for you, so that way if y'all are interested, you can go check out their website. So I have to tell y'all a funny story about that too. Whenever I first received it, in my mind, I was thinking it would take about a week or so for me to be able to tell the difference. Peter and I set it up and we left for a couple of hours to have dinner with my parents. And whenever we got back, I said, "Do you smell that?" And Peter goes, "It smells like nothing." And I said, "You're right, it smells like nothing." So absolutely, it works 200%. So next I'm going to be changing out the plastic shower curtain in my shower. And I just picked up one of those cheaper shower curtains at Target for like $3. These are usually the ones I always get, and I try my best to switch them out a couple times a year as well, if not more often. It just depends on how soon it needs to be done. But lately, over the past couple years, I've just been doing it this way where I leave the whole shower curtain up, and as I take off the old one, I put the new one up. Is that how y'all do it? I used to take the whole shower curtain down and redo it, and I started doing it this way, and my arms may get sore or a little tired, but I think it beats taking the whole thing down. Let me know in the comments how y'all change your shower curtain. So now I am starting the process of putting all the cleaned covers back on the couch and the chair, and this did take me a while, and at one point I think my camera cut off or the battery died or something, so you'll see, oh, here we go, it turned to nighttime. So I had to stop and I don't know why I'm making this really weird face, but the struggle was real, you guys, and especially with my busy toddler here. She's just wanting to help mama out. That's all she's wanting to do. So everything always takes a little bit longer, but you'll see it's definitely not as easy to get these suckers on as it is to get off. But after I finished, the couch was fully clean and fresh until we end up with more spills. Hopefully not too many, but hey, life happens, right? So yeah, that literally took all day. And next I'm going to be steaming the curtains in Reese's room. This was something I'd been wanting to do for months and months, and I finally, one night, it was nighttime after I got off work and we had dinner and all that good stuff, I was like, I'm just gonna set up my camera and do this thing. So I have a little lightweight handheld steamer, and I was just determined to get the wrinkles out the best that I could. It only really took me about 15 or 20 minutes, but it's definitely looking a lot better now than it did before. So next we are cleaning and organizing my makeup bag. I got a makeup bag several months ago at Walmart, if you saw my Walmart grocery haul, and I'm finally getting the chance to clean and organize and get it all straightened out in my new bag. You'll see this thing, it looks like it's straight out of the 80s, but I think that's why I like it so much, and I love the clear pockets too. And then for cleaning my brushes, I just have a makeup brush cleaning tool. I got it at Ulta several years ago. And then just look at this disaster of a makeup bag. I just can't deal with it anymore. So I'm starting out by pulling out all the brushes. I'm going to clean them first, and then while they're drying, I'll do the rest of the makeup. And I'm going to share a few little tips and tricks with you guys too, from what I learned in my days of working in the cosmetic world. I'm just using a gentle face wash to clean my brushes. You don't have to use a brush cleaner, you can if you want, but a gentle face wash works just as well. And then after you clean and rinse, if you fan your brush and roll it between your hands like so, you'll see it actually fans out the bristles, and it helps the air to get in there and dry them a lot quicker, and it helps them to not get all flat and everything. So also, whenever you're cleaning your brushes, you want to do your best to make sure that the water does not go down directly into the barrel where the bristles are. You want to try and keep your brush downward the best that you can, because the more water gets down in the barrel, it breaks up the adhesive more quickly, and then your brushes won't last nearly as long. So if you can, do your best to do that, and it'll help the lifespan of your brushes. I'm just going to do my little fanning trick, and I just noticed it's flinging water all over my bathroom mirror. So I'll have to go back and make sure I wipe that down too. Oh well. So now I'm basically just pulling out the products one by one and just going through them, sorting them through. Anything that I use every day, I'm setting off to the side. Anything that's old and broken, like clearly this lipstick has seen better days, so it's going straight in the trash. Anything I don't use anymore, I'll just throw away. And just getting all that sorted out. And this brow pencil clearly needs to go. I've had it forever. I actually used it in a brow tutorial video. It's one of my first videos I made last year. I'll have it linked up there in the right corner for you in case if you want to check that out. And I'm just taking a wipe and wiping down all the items that are going to go into my new bag. And you can clearly see the bottom of the old bag, and it's going straight in the trash. So I got everything in different piles of things that I necessarily didn't want to throw away, but I don't want to put back into my new bag. And then some old hair ties and things like that. I'm going to go ahead and start organizing them into my new fun makeup bag. I'm so excited. I wasn't really sure exactly how I wanted to sort it out at first. As I was going, I kind of figured it out. I know that little clear plastic bag, I'm going to put my brushes in there. But ultimately what I did was I decided to put all my like concealers and foundations and powders, all of the face stuff in one side, and then I put all of like my brow products, my eyeliners, my eyeshadows and mascaras on the other side, and then I put all of my lip products in that middle zip pocket. And then I put all my brushes. Now they weren't actually dry while I was still filming this video, but I just popped them in there real quick so that way y'all could kind of get an idea of how it would look all finished and complete. Alright you guys, well that is it for today's video. I appreciate each and every one of you so much, and don't forget to stop down in the comments and say hello, and if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family, and until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!